Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you that how can you create these kind of images with the help of Bing AI. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing that you do is go to Google and search for Bing Image Creator. And the first thing that that pops up, you just have to click on it. And here you can see the interface. And I've already copied the prompt and pasted it over here. But don't worry about it. I will be writing it down in my description. So yeah, Bing has created the image, and in the right side you can see the prompt also. You can also download these images. Just you just have to click over download button, and it will download automatically. Apart from that, I have created a few girls before, and here you can see that cool girl is celebrating her Instagram followers, and you can see the another example right here. Yeah, so there are different types of prompts you can use, and here is for the Indian people or Indian girls. Let's see. You can see that really cool girl has been created by the image generator. Yeah, and that was about it, guys. So, one question that might pop up in your head is that what if you run out of those credit points? So, don't worry about it because I got that covered also. So, I'll be making a video on it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for it so you'll get updated. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button also. And peace out.